What else? Do you have anything else in here? Oh, I see it. Opposite. These are opposite sides. Okay. Anybody else? Yes, they're going to intersect. And another way to think about perpendicular lines is that the coordinate grid, if this is your x and this is your y, these lines are perpendicular. Okay, and so what do I know about the slope? So the two characteristics about slope for perpendicular lines are that the signs are opposite. So one is positive and one is negative. Okay, so we have opposite signs. You should be writing this on your paper that I gave you, okay? Opposite signs. And do you guys remember a word that we talked about that starts with an R? For the next part, there's two parts to perpendicular slope. So you have this, and then you have something else. Reciprocal. Okay, so what does reciprocal mean? What does that mean? It means that your fraction for your slope is flipped. All right? So I'm going to write here in parentheses, flip the fraction. All right? So if I go ahead and tell you guys, so if I'm using these two ideas, and I'm going to give you an example. If my slope equals 3 for one line, what would be the perpendicular slope for that? -3. Did he flip the sign? Did you flip the sign? Yeah, you did. Did you do the reciprocal? Flip the fraction. So is 3 the same as 3? Yes, okay. Absolute value, right? But what do you have to do with this -3? You have to put the 3 in the denominator, okay? If the 3 is in the denominator, then number 1 is going to have to be in the numerator. Because 3 is the same thing as 3 over 1. Okay, so when I flip this, you get 1/3, and you have to change the sign to negative. Okay? All right, what's the next question? What should you do for the equation there? Okay, so what do you guys think? If we need our slope, our line to be in this form. Y equals mx plus b. Does it look like that right now with that last question? No. So how can I get it to look like this? Let me do it right here. Okay. So it's -4x. Equals -24. Okay? So what am I going to do? I'm going to add 4x to this side. Then the next step is to do what? Add 4x to this side. Yes. Okay. After that, what am I going to do? Move it over, right? I want you to do that step first. So I want you to move it over. And then I want you to look at the equation. And I'll be right back, okay? So, station 7, you guys are doing proving that the garage is a square, okay? And so the directions are on there. Did you read the directions? Okay. So you guys showing that the diagonals are something about the distance, something about the midpoint, and something about the slope of the diagonals.
Do we have to do that?
No, actually, not
for each point?
Not for each point, the diagonal. So what 2 points are the diagonals here? For the I'm talking about the garage.
Yeah.
Right? So what 2 points? Yes, very good. So this top one, and then across here.
So it's only the diagonal.
Only the diagonals. Yes, it's much easier because a square has how many sides? How many diagonals? So yes, so it has 2 diagonals, so it's easier to prove a square by using the diagonals than to do the slope and distance for all 4 sides. That makes sense? Okay, so you know what the diagonals are and you know what you're supposed to be doing. Yeah? Are you gonna let me know if you need help? Yeah. Okay. Thank you. All right, how are we doing over here, guys? You good? Okay, so I'm gonna ask you one favor. I love that you're showing all this work right here, but I would like to see it here. Yes, I want you to write on it. Yeah. Yes, that's the point. I want you guys to, because I want to see the work that you're showing on your paper. And it's great that you have it in here because you can keep it and reflect on it and look at it, but I want to see it also. Okay? So you need a see if that is a highlighter or a marker. That's fine. That'll work. I just messed it up on that. All right, so you're good. You did question 1A, 1B.
I'm gonna see, but like I have a question because I don't know if I'm doing it right.
Okay, so what'd you do?
Okay, so I did it like this, but like when I wanted to get the whole thing.
Yes.
That's right.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I
This
thought
number
because
will.
20 times 22.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah, I did it. So I could get it. Okay, now.
Well, that's only 12. Do you see what I did? You see what you did?
That is about right.
Yeah. I was like, wait a second. What happened?
Because I just was thinking separate.
Yeah, I love how you separated it. I get it. I get what you did. But I'm like, what went wrong here? So that needs to be 20.
So can I just do
That could be 20. 22 times 20.
Can I do 22 times 10 twice?
Yes. Yes. Sorry, I had to do it in my head real quick. Okay. The combined area. Okay, this is a good. Can I see your marker? I just gave it to you. Someone can have it? Oh, sorry. All right, so the combined area. If I redraw this picture as one big rectangle, okay? If this is X, this little part of the, imagine you can look at this door frame actually. Pretend this door frame, this whole piece, the door itself is 22, okay? And that this piece is X. So if I added all those together, what would the total length be of the door with the frame, right? So if this is 22 in the middle and each side is X, then what would the total length be from end to end? Can you tell me? How many X's do you see here? 2. So I'm going to write 2X. And then what's in the middle? 22. So that's the length, right? And then what is the word that's used in here to tell me what operation I'm going to do? Sorry. Area. And so area means to multiply. Very good. So if I have area, I'm going to multiply this times this, right? So what is the width? So I did this. What is the width going to be? 2x plus 1. Very good. Awesome. Now what do we do? To multiply, we have to do Same thing as the warm-up, which was the box method. Okay, you guys can handle it from there? Okay. This next one, number 2. Raise your hand when you get to this one, okay? Because I'm gonna give you a little hint. Okay. Station 5. How are we doing? Yeah. Oh.
Thank you.
Sorry. Okay. Station 5. Okay, so where'd you guys get to? Area and perimeter for what? 1A and 1B? 1A. Okay. So what did you get for area? I mean for perimeter. Mm-hmm. Plus what? Okay, look. A4, you should have some X's in there somewhere. This X is a part of the perimeter. Do you see what I'm saying?
So you're saying that an X should be an answer?
Mm-hmm, yeah, because you have the picture itself is 22 inches by 20, okay? But you also have the frame, which is a little bit wider. You're not sure how wide. So if I have 22 right here, and then I have a frame on this side and a frame on this side, I have 22 plus the X plus another X. What is that length? So I just like to redraw it as one rectangle instead of looking at it as 2, right? So you have the 22, which is the picture, and then you have this part, which is the frame, and that part's the frame. So you have X and X. So what is the whole length from here all the way over here? Did you get it? So this would be area.
That's the same for
Yes, and your length and your width will be the same binomial. So what would this be? What's the total right here? 22. Just 22? So if I'm going from here to here, yes, that's 22, you're right. But what about from here to here? Okay, so let's think about it like this. Let's say X is 3. Okay, so the picture frame is 3 inches on this side and 3 inches on this side. So here and here. And I go by that picture frame and I want to measure it. If I go from this side, including the frame, all the way over to this side, what's that total? You have the 22 in the middle, you have the 3, and you have the 3. What would that total be? You would add those all together, right? So it would be 6 plus 22. Okay, so let's pretend 3 is not there. So what did you just do with the 3s? You did add them together, right? So how many X's do you see? 2x plus, yes, that is the total length right there, okay? All right, so what about the other side? Same idea.
20.
Mm-hmm.
And then X, so it would be 3.
How many X's?
3.
One at the top, yeah, 2x, yeah. Yeah, there you go. And so now what can I do? Perimeter, what do you need to do with the sides when you have perimeter? Add them, and then what about the area? Multiply, very good. And let me check here. So looks like, yeah, you did that for area. Good. Do this again. 20 times 22. It's going to be much bigger than 8.
There's no X right now.
And Ayana, if you want to check your work once you're done with that. Go over here so you can talk to her, okay? Okay. You girls good? Yes, your area perimeter is correct. Okay. You guys working on distance? Did you finish distance? Did you verify with each other that distance is good? Did you finish distance? Did you? For the first one? Did you finish distance? Okay, so I want you to give like each other like 20 seconds and then talk with each other and make sure the distance is all the same. It should be all the same, right?
Sorry.
Okay. All right, how are we doing over here? Did you guys get 2 points? Let's see. Yes. Yes. Great job. Adriana, can you give me that eraser right there? Yes, thank you. Are you girls done with all of station 2? Okay. You guys are going to take one of these. 1, 2, 3. No, just 2. So this is practicing parallel and perpendicular lines. One of you choose partner A, the other choose partner B, and then your answer should be the same. So you solve each side, and then your answer should be the same in the middle. 2 and 2. Yep. And if you want to, you can sit at this table right here, so you can sit down while you do that. I'll come check your work in a second. Okay. So let's go ahead and make sure we know how to move this over. So if I have 4x right here, and then we have 12y equals 4x minus 24. Okay, let's check and see. Does everybody have that? Yes.
Write down.
Did you add the 4x right there? Okay, so yeah, rewrite it. I always like to rewrite each step so that I know what's already been done, what I just moved over and what I divided by, multiplied by, all that kind of stuff. So I can cancel that out. I moved it over here. You good? Okay. 12 and y are being multiplied. So what should I do to get rid of the 12? Because remember, what do I want? I want y equals mx plus b. Okay? So then how do I get rid of the 12? And you're going to divide both of the terms because you're going to divide both the terms because we're dividing this entire side by 12. So this whole side has to be divided by 12 again. Okay. Now, final answer, y equals 4 over 12. Does anybody know what that is reduced down? Do me a favor and join station 6 for me, okay? What do I do with a 4 over 12? It is 1 over 3. Yes, because 4 goes into 12 3 times. So 1 over 3 is reduced down. Now 24 divided by 12 is 2. Very good. So what is the slope here for this line? 1 over 3. Okay, so I'm going to leave this up here. I know it's a little messy, sorry. But I'm going to leave this up here, and you guys are going to look at these lines, okay? So line 1 is negative 3x plus 9y equals 12. Line 2 is 15x plus 5y equals 3. I want you to do the same process from up here. Solve it so it looks like y equals mx plus b. And then I want you to tell me the slope of each one. So line 1 will have a slope and line 2 will have a slope. The next thing you're going to do, which the directions are right here also, is decide, are these two lines parallel, perpendicular, Or the last option is neither. Yeah. Okay. So you're solving these so that they're in y equals mx plus b form, and then looking at my slope. Okay. So looking at the fraction for slope, so you can identify parallel, perpendicular, or neither. Okay. Good job.